Hello, Assalamu alaikum students. This is Mathematics D1 series in front of you. Today I am going to do exercise 2C, question number 9, A part. Let's see how to solve it. As I told you, we have to follow the Demas rule. In Demas rule, we have to do division first of all, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. But we have to also follow the order. If multiplication is appearing first of all, then we can even multiply two things. Like these two things are being multiplied, and these two things are being divided, and these two things are being multiplied. We can select any two things, like don't get confused. We can select any two things, like we can select 24 and minus 2. We can multiply both of them, since there is positive 24 and negative 2. So positive minus 24 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 48. Then come here. So 5 will remain as it is, division will remain as it is. I will not solve two process in the same step. I will do some other do it in the other step. Now I can multiply both of these. First of all, 48 will be multiplied by 5. 5 8 times 40 and 4 carry. 5 4 times is 20, and 20 plus 4 24. So it will be 240. Since this was the positive 5 and it was negative 48, so plus minus divided by minus 6. So here 240 is being divided by minus 6, minus and minus plus, so it will be equal to positive sign now, minus plus. 6 4 times 24 and 6 0 times 0, so positive 40 is the answer. Now I shall do the B part of the same question. Four multiplied by 10 is equal to 40, and minus procedure will be done later on. First of all, we shall give preference to multiplication or division sign. So minus sign will be done later on. First of all, do process on the multiplication sign. 40 will remain as it is. So here is minus 13 and here is minus 5. So 13 have this sign before it and 5 has this sign before it. Minus 13 is being multiplied by minus 5. Minus plus, and 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to 65. 40 plus 65 will be equal to 5 and 0 5, 4 and 6 10. 105 is the answer. Now let's do C part. So we have to solve the bracket first of all according to BODMAS rule. 16 minus 24 will be equal to, bigger value sign is minus, 24 minus 16 is equal to 8. And here bracket will be solved. Bigger value sign is negative. 77 minus 57 will be equal to 20 divided by minus 2. And division sign will be given preference. First of all, this sign will be given preference after solving the division sign. So both of these things will be solved first. Minus 8 will remain as it is, and first of all enter this sign. Inside this sign it will change into plus 20, and here is minus 2. So minus 8 will stay as it is, and division sign will be performed first of all, and 20 will be divided by minus 2. 20 will be divided by minus 2 like this, and plus minus again, plus minus so 2 10 times 20, so 10 is the answer. Now bigger value sign is minus, and minus plus, 10 and 8 equal to 18, so minus 18 is the answer. Now let's quickly solve the last part. Division sign will be performed first of all. 160 divided by 40, 160 divided by minus 40, and here 20 divided by minus 5. Plus minus 0 cut with the 0, 4 times 16, so minus 4 here, minus and minus plus, 5 4 times, and 0 is the answer.